it's been a hot minute since I made a video, but I just had a really busy summer and I honestly didn't feel very creative, so just in a zone, I guess. So I'm sorry, I'm back and I'm gonna give you all these crazy Halloween looks. So I did a question on Instagram and asked what looks you guys would like to see me do for this Halloween, and one of them was Pumpkin Queen. So this is my take on Pumpkin Queen. I made this little headpiece myself. It's literally, I think it cost me $3. I bought these little pumpkins and the sleeve and like a headband from the dollar store and just hot glued everything and applied some of the glitters on the headband, and that's it. And voila, we got this beautiful crown. I actually really like this crown. I kind of want to wear it to work for Halloween day because I'll be working that day. So I could just wear this and get away with it. But yeah, if you guys want to know how to get this look, please stay tuned. The pumpkin side, I'm taking this black LA Girls pencil and I'm pretty much tracing out where I would want the pumpkin makeup to start. Next, I'm gonna take my e.l.f.'s primer and prime that one side of my face. Now I'm taking Ben Nye's orange cream face paint and I'm gonna use my brush first to apply this onto my face, and don't forget your ear. And also, so I tried to apply this with a brush. It didn't look very nice. It was a little blotchy, so then you're gonna see me using my beauty blender. So once I apply the cream with my brush, I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender and just kind of like tap it into my skin, because like you can tell like it kind of makes it look more flawless, where with brush it kind of looks like you have strokes all over your face. But just like apply it with brush first and then go ahead with your sponge and just make it set on your skin a little better. I'm also gonna bring that same shade down to my neck. You can go as low as you want. I went a little low because my shirt was a little, the neck was pretty open, so I wanted to like do the whole thing orange and draw the pumpkin all over my chest. Now I'm using Nars's eyeshadow in the shade Persia, and I'm gonna apply this all over my face with a brush. This is just gonna act as a setting powder for our face. Back with the LA Girls pencil, and I'm gonna draw this upside down diamond onto my face and going a little above my eyebrow. So once you have this shape that you like onto your eye, I'm gonna use gel eyeliner. I used one from L'Oreal. I'm gonna just use that and fill inside the diamond with a brush, or you can use eyeshadow, but I feel like this is better. I'm gonna apply eyeshadow later on. This will just make the eyeshadow look a little more pigmented. And then take that same pencil and draw a line, pretty much outline your lower eyelids, and then just apply some of the same pencil inside your waterline. And then now I'm just trying to draw this little line almost as like if my eye was like ripped, but then I'm gonna also use that as like the lines that are going down my face, like the pumpkin has lines on it, so that's what it's gonna be. Guys, I suck at explaining these things, but you can tell what I'm doing. I'm pretty much drawing straight lines down on my face just to make it look like a pumpkin. So like you, as you guys can see on pumpkins, there's like lines going down, so that's what I'm trying to imitate on my face. Again, with the LA Girls pencil, I'm gonna draw a little diamond shape on my nose. Then I'm gonna use my gel eyeliner. Now I'm gonna take the same gel liner and I'm gonna use a flat brush and apply that all over my lips, kind of drawing out my lip, and then from the corners of my lips I'm gonna draw 2 lines going straight to my ears from one side to the other. Now to draw on my teeth, I'm pretty much kind of starting these thick little lines, and then as I'm going up or down I'm drawing them thinner so it kind of looks like flames. Later you will see what I'm trying to do with them, but for now just like draw them the way you see me doing it. We're getting closer to the ears. Draw the teeth a little shorter and shorter. Now what I'm doing is I am taking this small eyeliner brush and I'm making the tips of the teeth even more thinner and kind of like swirly, like don't go straight, just like go in weird shapes. And I got this Sanzaroo little face pen palette from Amazon. This was like literally $11, where the one I got, the orange one from Ben Nye, which is one color, was like $15 alone. So I'm just taking the brown color, brown cream from that palette, and I'm applying that in between the teeth just to fade it in a little bit. And then now I'm taking like the orange shade. The orange one from this palette is a little lighter than the one I have on my face, so I'm taking that and I'm applying that in between the little teeth to make it like look like it's fading up. I'm also kinda taking the brown and applying on the lines that I have on my face. This is just gonna make it look a little faded so it doesn't look like sharp lines just going down my face. Taking this yellow and orange, I kinda mix the yellow and orange in the palette, and then I'm applying that in between the lines on my neck. This is just gonna make the pumpkin come to life. As you can see, it's giving it a lot of highlight, and you can use it with a brush, but I like the little sponge that came in that kit. It kind of looks a little nice, and then with your sponge you can go back and like set it onto your skin. This red shade from the palette, and I'm going back onto the lines, and then I'm using my fingers to blend it out. Taking the pure yellow shade from the palette, and I'm gonna apply that on the high points of my face, or like where I want the pumpkin to like stand out. Like look, I'm applying it on my neck in the middle of the lines. This is just gonna like bring it out almost like the light is hitting the pumpkin. My eye off camera and come back. Now I'm using this palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I love the black shade from this palette, so I'm just using that black shade from the palette to fill in the little diamond on my eye, and then I'm gonna also use that same eyeshadow to fill in the little diamond on my nose. And if you want, you can also go back into your teeth. I wanted to make my teeth look a little more darker, so I went in and applied a little bit on my teeth as well. Now I'm taking these gold flakes that I got from dollar store, and this is glitter glue that was sent to me by Glitter Injections. So I'm applying a thin layer of the glitter onto my skin first, and then with tweezers I'm picking up some of the gold flakes and just applying it onto my skin. So I'm pretty much gonna apply this where I draw that black line in the beginning of the tutorial. So you can see it's just pretty much applying a layer of glue and then sticking on the gold flakes onto my skin. Lashes, I'm using these Sala or Kala 3D Fox mink lashes that I got from Primark, and these are pretty good for like $3. This is the final look, you guys. I'm really happy with how this look came out. I love this crown eyeshadow. I always wanted to do the crown eyeshadow. I just didn't, and I'm glad I did it for this video, and it kind of goes with the theme, the pumpkin queen, and we got our little crown on our eyes. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this look come together. You guys can follow me on Instagram at Makeup by Roya, and comment, let me know if you like this look or not, or just say hi. Okay, love you guys. Mwah. Bye.